got a desktop with a terrible boot up time and sort of freezing when you're running a lot of applications. Though it's clearly identified that the problem is with the hard drive. As you can see in the Windows OS, it's maxing out its read and write speeds. To fix it, we're just gonna install in a new Patriot Burst 480GB SSD with a DRAM cache and 8GB of Kingston DDR4 2400MHz RAM. Install the RAM, and now it's time to migrate the OS. Used this clone and it seemed to work pretty well. And now using the system, it seems to be a lot more responsive as it has 16GB of RAM and a SSD instead of a slow spinning hard drive. And we are done.